The hashtag #MeToo movement, with locally, alternatively in other languages, a global campaign against sexual harassment and assault. The movement spread widely in 2017 as a hashtag used on social media to help bring attention to the widespread prevalences of such harassments. Sexual harassment in the working place is finally getting the attention it needs after how many decades or millennia. We wonder, many organizations, some actively, others less actively, or are introducing training programs to raise gender awareness and sensitivity. It is hoped that explicitly worded policies will improve the workplace environment without becoming over restrictive. While the #MeToo movement strongly urges society to better itself as a whole, we also needed to acknowledge those individuals who have been hurt by sexual aggressions. Some victims say that the movement itself just brings back their traumatic memories. There is a fine line between transparency and being forcefully outed as a victim. Sexual misconduct and abuse is a fact. We need to confront the idea with it and not be afraid to say and do the right things. I think Japan has a full doesn't like to change, and besides is not wanting to change too quickly or at all. Discussing which becomes tense or avoided. People just don't like to talk about this, so as a result, they go into denial, saying, well, maybe there isn't a Me Too problem in Japan. Maybe it's particularly the West. And Japanese have difficult kinds of cultural relationship between the gender, so the man trying to run away from the issue. However, in Japan, women are catching on with Me Too because in some workspace it's just going too far on a daily basis. So it's the women who will make the movement widespread. Figuratively speaking, the quickest means to achieve this will be public execution. And I don't mean physically violent or totalitarian things, but more like high-profile individuals as celebrities, people in power, wealthy people who are accused of Me Too behavior, who denied it and later make full apologies and disappear from the public eye. That would set the example in a very direct, quick, and harsh way. Love justice.